welcome back. After just a while of us not actually getting enough of Be Proud of Who We Are, now everyone is consuming this music in and out of Cameroon. We see all the Saw people coming out in their numbers to support their brother and to be proud of actually who they are, watching their culture being displayed everywhere through a music video, Be Proud of Who We Are, done for us by Witty Minstrel. Just not long after the release of this song that has had and hit YouTube with 1 million plus views, and Witty Minstrel is actually really being consistent, and just while everyone and his fans have been expecting something higher than Be Proud of Who We Are, trust me, Witty Minstrel meets up to the target and gives everyone a really good surprise by coming up with a new song, Yewun. This song is a typical Saw culture. We see everything is depicted in the video. Then Saw people in their numbers, and presently we have the Yewun challenge going on with everybody dancing so hard to this new release by Witty Minstrel. And presently, Witty Minstrel has had a lot of views after the release of this new song, Yewun, that has had a lot of thousands of views on YouTube. And let's have a listen, let's take a listen, and let's watch this song done for us by Witty Minstrel. Let's enjoy it, and then you judge if this boy is actually really topping the game. On still our newly released page, we have another song done for us by Hyman General. That is Salatiel. Salatiel has been one of the most outstanding artists in Cameroon. He has done so wonderful when it comes to the music world. He has done songs for us like Anita. He has done songs with Mr. Leo. He has done a lot of collabos, and he featured in the album that was made by Beyonce, The Lion's King. Salatiel has been very outstanding, and nevertheless, he just topped up the game again with a new song titled Good Girl, and this song has hit 2 million plus views already on YouTube, as you can see. And Salatiel did this song in collaboration with Rochelle. This song is a typical way to tell us and evidence to show us that Salatiel is consistent. Salatiel is in the game. He ain't going nowhere, and he's actually Hyman General. Still on a newly released page, we have, not forgetting, the microphone Njoku. Yes, we call him Mic Monster, the man behind the god. That's the god of the mic. That's what we call him. Mic Monster has had a lot of videos like Johnny. He released it last year. Johnny had a lot of problems because in as much as this song was very beautiful, but Johnny had a lot of problems because he released this song just during the period where Corona outbreak was really at its peak. So Johnny actually did not get as many views and did not open a lot of doors and shows for Mic Monster. As much as he was disappointed, the man still, he kept on his consistency. He never gave up. This year, not just long ago, Mic Monster brings another new fresh in the kitchen for us titled Loka Lokito. Loka Lokito, like he brings to us, is a song that actually depicts our Cameroon way of dance, our African way of dance steps, and takes us to the old timers, the old days of the Grace Deka, the Ben Dekas. When you listen to this song, you enjoy every bit of it, and then you know that this guy actually knows exactly what he's doing. And just not long ago, Mic Monster won an award of the best rapper. Like I can say, yes, Mic Monster now, when it comes to rap in Cameroon, when it comes to Southwest, when it comes to Boya, the guy is topping his game. This was all we gathered for you on fresh releases on the entertainment news today. And we've had a lot of a package for you. Let's have a break. We'll be right back, and the program and the news goes down. Okay, we've had a lot of news articles for you, be it in Cameroon, out of Cameroon, in Nigeria, and lots more. And thank you very, very much for being with us. It's been a wonderful, wonderful news time with you. We had top stories like the recent outbreak of Askia on a video live on Facebook expressing her marital issues. We've heard about the new contract deal signed by Cindy Emade. We've heard about Malok's mansion. We've heard about the Queen Mimbayo with her beauty spa and being proud of the woman she has become. We've heard about the death of Beyonce's cousin and the scandal about Culture and Rihanna. We've heard about the new releases and so much more. Just to remind you to catch up, entertainment news on CMTV runs every day, 6 a.m. and 6:30 p.m. Every day, I mean every day. We give you entertainment news early in the morning, 6 a.m. and equally in the evening, 6:30 p.m. So, I've been C. Shanta Ndowa. You can call me Shanta Max for presentation. And credit goes to the producer of this news, Miss Kwai Chiamba, and not forgetting Papa Joe, yes, not forgetting all the team in CMTV who work together to see a successful entertainment news on air. And a lot of gratitude equally goes to the sole overall boss of Chilling Media, Mr. Kwai Chiamba. Stay tuned, stay with us. We have lots more coming your way. Have a blessed afternoon.